Hello everyone. Before I start this video, I just want to make something clear. I have not watched that video and I'm not going to watch that video irrespective of what is in that video or who is there in it. And I think that is the way to go about such things, because if at all you want to chase something, there are 100,000 better things that you can chase instead of a link. Alright. Today I'm making this video to point a finger at the character of people who are pointing a finger at her character. Is it hers or is it yours? Let me say another thing very clearly. Whatever is happening right now is not tea, it's not gossip, and it's not curiosity. It's rot. Actual rot. R-O-T. That's what this is. I don't know what has happened to people that instead of questioning before proceeding with their actions, people don't think anymore. I've said this multiple times on my channel. People have lost the ability to think for themselves. So there is a YouTuber with over 4 million subscribers, and suddenly, out of nowhere, a fake MMS of hers starts circulating on the internet, and people have just showed their true colors yet once again. And this is not the first time that this has happened. This has happened multiple times with multiple people. People have lost their lives because you were so busy chasing a link. You created that disgusting pit and you have found each other in it, man. Because instead of people asking, is this even real? Or instead of people saying, yo, this could ruin someone's life, what do? They start asking for links. They start making memes. They start shaming her, joking and trolling her. Disgusting behavior, man. And in that moment, whether you realize it or not, bro, you lose your character. You know, not online, not publicly, but spiritually. Aura, as you say it, you lose that shit. Because here's the truth that you don't want to hear. Once you click it, once you spread it, whatever you do to amplify it, you are no longer a spectator. You are part of that fucking crime. You're trying to ruin someone's life. Don't give me this call excuse of, bro, this is already going viral. It's trending on Twitter. It's trending on Reddit. That is weak, man. I can't do anything. Be the fucking difference. Make the difference. Speak up for it, man. That's the least you can do. You think this behavior is going to disappear into the void? Everyone asking for that link in the comment section. 10,000, 20,000 comments. Everyone just, link de do. Iska bhi aa gaya. Fuck you, man. That's just cheap, man. Imagine your parents see this. क्या इज्जत रह जाएगी तुम्हारी उनकी नजरों में? I get it. You are not proud of yourself because तुम्हारे अंदर वो capability ही नहीं है. होती तो तुम अपने जमीर में झांक के देखते कि तुम कितने गिर चुके हो. तुम्हें किसी और की नहीं, तुम्हें अपनी खुद की इज्जत नहीं है भाई. You don't respect yourself only. You are publicly making that comment. Be it a fake account, be it any, सब निकल जाता है भाई. Some of your actions online do have real life consequences. Remember that. And let's talk about the biggest joke over here. That video that is going viral is not even real. But look how it's ruining someone's mental health, how it's ruining someone's image, what she might have been going through or her family might have been going through right now. Think about how insane that is. You guys keep, pointing fingers at the government. You guys keep pointing fingers at the media कि भाई देखो हमें fake news दिखा रहे हैं. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? We live in a country where a rumor gets more protection than humans. A fake clip gets more sympathy than a real person. That's fucked, man. That's not masculinity. That's not dark humor. That's not being unfiltered. That's just you being a coward. That's what you are. It's very easy to do this when you're anonymous, when you're hiding behind the screen. But trust me when I say this, when karma decides to fuck you in the ass, it's not gonna see your followers. It's not gonna see how relevant you are on the internet. It's only gonna see your character. तुम्हारे घर पे माँ बहन नहीं है? चलो ठीक है, माँ भी नहीं है, बहन भी. आगे चल के तो तू लोडू शादी तो करेगा ना भाई तू, क्योंकि हवस के लिए तो तू पागल है, तेरी हरकतों से पता चल रहा है. You can't stay without it. You belong to that population of gooners. That is your entire personality. इसकी लिंक, उसकी लिंक, ये वहां से, ये यहाँ से, टेलीग्राम, तुम ये करते हो बस. और तुम्हें जब दिखते हैं ना 12-13 हजार कमेंट्स लिंक मांग रहे हैं, that makes you feel validated. How disgusting can that be? This is why they do it. Engagement. मैंने औरतों को देखा यार. I saw women shaming Payal, moral policing Payal, without even realizing, without even trying to find out if this video is real or not. You only fucking did this for engagement. अब मुझे पता है कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग आके बजेंगे कि भाई तू भी तो engagement ही ले रहा है ना. ये वही लोग हैं जो लिंक मांग रहे हैं. Because as soon as you call out their behavior, the first thing they do is deflect and point fingers at others. And I can prove it to you, bro. इनकी खुद की sex life तो है non-existent. That's why they're so interested in what's happening in others' bedrooms. मतलब they are so dedicated कि now it's not about right or wrong. It's about if this is real or fake. By they have apparently proven it that it is her only. They have proven it. निकली सेम है, नेल पॉलिश सेम है. मेरे पूर्णिया के शर्लॉक होम्स, मैं तुझसे बस एक सवाल पूछूंगा, ठीक है? If integration of f of x dx is equal to the integration of g of x dx, does that conclude that f of x is equal to g of x? अगर इस सवाल के छूटते ही तेरी जबान पे जवाब नहीं था ना भाई, तो तू बहुत पीछे है. पढ़ ले. जो इंटेलेक्ट तू यूज कर रहा है ना प्रूफ करने के लिए LHS इक्वल्स टू RHS और नॉट, सही जगह लगा ले, तेरा फायदा होगा. पॉइंट इज रियल है, फेक है, वो है, कोई और है, AI, इट डज नॉट मैटर. इट्स रॉन्ग. बात खत्म हो जाती है वहां पे. आई डोंट थिंक योर सोशल प्रेजेंस शुड एग्जिस्ट इफ यू I already cooked one gandu last month on this very channel who was doing this shit for engagement and views. क्या हुआ उसका? कुत्ता नहीं पूछ रहा उससे. If your sister, your mother or someone you love gets dragged into shit like this, you will suddenly discover morals. You will suddenly start talking about privacy. You will start seeking God. जिस क्रिएटर का तुम मजाक उड़ा रहे हो ना आज, कल को तुम्हारे ऊपर ये चीज आएगी ना, तुम क्रिएटर्स के डीएम में ही भागने वाले हो कि भैया हेल्प कर दो, उसका पेज उड़ा दो यार, प्लीज उसका पोस्ट हटवा दो यार, वो मेरी बहन को जलील कर रहा है, मेरी माँ को जलील कर रहा है. एआई का जमाना है भाई साहब, किसी चीज पे भरोसा नहीं करो. एक सेकंड नहीं लगता बाजी पलटने में. जितनी आसानी से आप अपने बायो में जाके लिख देते हो ना जय श्री राम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हालेलुया, उतनी आसानी से कर्मा आपकी गांड मार सकता है. पहले अपने धर्म के बारे में जाके पढ़ लो. ये धर्म रक्षक बनना चाहते हैं बट लिंक बांटे फिरते रहते हैं. मैं बहुत टाइम से इस बारे में बात करना चाहता था. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल have lost their lives because you decided to make someone's private moment public and amplify it to a point where they saw no other option than to end their lives because they couldn't go through the embarrassment, the disrespect, the mockery, the jokes, the trolling. They couldn't go through it. She is a creator. She might be somewhere used to this trolling and everything, but there are people who have not signed up for this, and I don't know what's the fucking craze of this generation to record their intimate moments. That is not what intimacy is all about. Intimacy is supposed to be felt, not captured. The second you pull out your camera and start recording such intimate moments, you have disrespected your partner, you have disrespected your intimacy, your relationship, and not only that, you have put your relationship in a vulnerable position for these things to happen. What is government going to do about this, or what can cops do about this? You are solely responsible for this shit, bro. All those meme pages, all those people spreading links as if like, you know, social servicing कर रहे हैं गांडू लोग ये करके. लिख रहे हो ना आपकी लिंक दे दो प्लीज, और जो आपको लिंक्स मिल रही हैं, the second you click on it, आपका बैंक में जितना पैसा है वो वाइप आउट हो सकता है, आपका सारा पर्सनल डेटा ट्रांसफर हो सकता है, आपका पीसी, आपका लैपटॉप, आपका फोन सब हैक हो सकते हैं just by clicking on that link. People are scamming. As much as these people disgust me, the ones who are asking for links, I'm still trying to save you. There is still time. झांको अपने जमीर में, देखो तुम कितना गिर चुके हो, तुम कितने घिनौने हो अंदर से. इस चीज को एक्नॉलेज करो और इससे आगे बढ़ो. कुछ नहीं रखा है इन सब चीजों में. 1.5 मिनट की वीडियो हो, 19 मिनट की वीडियो हो, तुम किसी का ऐप छुपाओगे, ऊपर वाला तुम्हारे 10 ऐप छुपाएगा. तुम किसी के ऐप दिखाओगे, ऊपर वाला तुम्हें कहीं का नहीं छोड़ेगा. ह्यूमिलिएशन, karma, ये दो चीजें always remember, bro. Here is the bottom line. Your clicks are a vote. Your shares are a statement. Your silence or resistance shows who you really are. And right now, a lot of people are exposing themselves, man. Not as edgy, not as cool, but empty. That's what you are. Hollow from inside. To Payal, I don't know, man, if this would be of any help, but Payal, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to go through all this. It's a fucking shame. Change yourself, man. Please realize, repent, ताकि ये चीजें तुम्हारी बंदी, तुम्हारी माँ, तुम्हारी बहन, इन लोगों के साथ ना हो. अपने जमीर में झांकना शुरू कर लो भाई. It's going to help you only. It's not about her character. It's about yours. You are the fucking disgusting one here. Shame on you, man. That's all I wanted to say in this video. Thank you.